Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to check drive storage and free up space on your Surface Pro 12. If you go to the settings, then you will be able to find System, then Storage. For some reason, it asks me for the administrator privileges. I'll do it. And now you can see how much space you have in total on your disk. It may differ a little bit from what is said on the box, just a little bit, just by a few numbers, because of some weird things. It always happens on any computer whatsoever, so just don't question it. It's going to be around what's on the box, typically less than what's on the box. Then you'll see how much is used and how much is free. And then you'll see install what uses up the storage. So I have installed apps, temporary files, some snapshots. I can see more categories. There's some large files. I can click on order. Then I'll find in what folders I have the largest files. I don't have any large folders. So maybe let's see the installed apps, and I can see what apps take how much storage, and I can sort by size large to small, and then I can decide to uninstall some apps. Some apps cannot be uninstalled if they are some system apps, but let's say Affinity, well, it almost doesn't use anything, but I can click on three dots and uninstall, then click on uninstall, and as you can see, it's getting rid of it. So that's how it works, and that is going to be basically it. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.